Yeah, we contacted this guy earlier. He failed to stop for us at the fee booth. He's now at the visitor center. Looks like the middle parking lot. I'm going to block him in.
Visitor center on the parking lot. You're going to block him in Metro and NHP. Is that with you?
Get your hands up! Get your hands up now!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Don't do it!
You can start to him up there. I believe in and driving all over the place.
Stop or I'll shoot! Stop or I'll shoot!
Put your hands up now! Put your hands up now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! 5544, he just rammed it. Trooper. Get out of the car!
5544, we're out with him at the visitor center.
44, copy, you're out with the subject at the visitor center.
Put your hands up now! Put your hands up now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
5544, he just rammed it. Trooper.
Get out of the car!
5544, I copy, you just rammed a trooper.
5544, he just rammed my vehicle. And the Ranger vehicle in pursuit.
544, I copy, you rammed your vehicle and a Ranger vehicle and in pursuit.
I hear noise. He's trying to get out. You hear something?
Right behind you.
Okay. He's trying to start it. Watch out! Watch out! Oh shit! He's taking off. Watch out! Watch out! Stop the car! Get out! Get out!
Yes! 5544, got him stopped.
Hands up!
Visitor center still. We got his vehicle parked. We're boxed in.
Hands up!
Get out of the car now!
Your hands! You got a visual?
Nope.
No visual. Airbag deployed.
Airbag deploy. No visual. Let me get right here.
You hear something? He's trying to start it. What's that?
4451, please switching 5 to the 1.
What's that?
Drop the car! Drop the car!
Stop the car!
Drop the car! 5544, shots fired. Get out of the car!
Get out! Get out!
Get out of the car! Put your hands up!
How clear is your view of his hands? You gotta shut the car off and throw the keys out.
Put the car park and turn the car off.
Shut the car off and throw the keys out. Shut the car off. Turn the car and throw the keys.
No.
Then open the door. Right where you
Can't.
You can open the door handle's right there. Watch, you got one coming up the hill on the other side. Unlock it. Just unlock it. Put your hands like this. Put your hands like this. Get your shield. Get your shield. Get up. No, come with me. Come in this way. We're gonna let's keep your hands like this. Keep your hands just like that.
Okay, your hands off. We got it.
You already shot me in the leg, right? You did an assault rifle through my fucking
Okay,
head.
just keep your hands where you can see them. Just keep them just like that. Just like that.
You shot me in the
Okay,
leg.
slow down. Slow down, bro. We're gonna get you, okay? I'm here to get you. I'm here to get you. Come on, come with me. Come with me. Let go.
Where you shot?
In the leg. You're gonna come towards me, okay? You're gonna come towards me. I'm gonna put you right on the ground so we can get something on your leg. Come towards me. You're okay. I got you. I got you. I got it. Put your hands on your back and go to the ground. Go to the ground. Go to the ground. Come on. Somebody get a tourniquet on his leg. Get a tourniquet on his leg. I got you.